The TrueSpec is unlike any other machine ever produced by Heat Press Nation. We didn't modify an existing design, we built a new machine from the ground up. A strong building needs a solid foundation, right? So we constructed our machine on a laser-cut steel frame that can take the daily use and abuse in any shirt shop. The handle is where the force is transferred from the user to the machine thousands of times in a heat press's lifespan. So the TrueSpec handle and lever are built to last. A double bar handle is complemented by a new pull-down lever to make operating this large machine more accessible for all users. Users who need a little bit more reach can grab the lower pull-down lever and bring the main handle in within reach to complete the press. At the heart of the TrueSpec Heat Press is its solid core 16 by 20 inch heating element. This is not only the best heating element Heat Press Nation has ever produced, its performance puts it up there with the top heating elements on the market today. We cast our solid aluminum heating elements to ultra-fine tolerances and have made them to be over 20% thicker than the current Signature series. The result is a perfectly flat heating element with incredible evenness in heat distribution, superb heat retention, and minimal recovery time between presses. To help keep our customers safe, the TrueSpec also has an anti-burn shield over the heating element to protect in case of accidental contact. The TrueSpec control housing contains the brand new touchscreen control panel. The active pressure readout gives you real-time feedback on the amount of pressure that's being applied. When you close the press, a value will be displayed on a scale from 0 to 8, with 0 being no pressure and 8 being the maximum. This gets rid of the guessing games and brings proper pressure to every project. Setting your TrueSpec heat press to the proper time and temperature is a breeze. There are 3 preset slots available to recall settings for your favorite materials. In each preset slot, you can set your desired temperature, pre-press time, and main press time. If you're working with a product that doesn't require pre-press, you can set that value to 0 to only use the main press time setting. In addition to the touchscreen control panel, the TrueSpec control housing also holds the built-in backup fuse. In the event of a power surge or eventual fuse degradation over time, switching to your backup fuse takes just a few moments instead of however long it takes you to find your spare fuse or wait for a replacement to ship. Inside, you'll find select UL components to ensure the most vital parts are of the highest quality. The TrueSpec is a true hybrid machine thanks to a major update to a core feature, Auto Open. You could now choose for yourself whether you want your heat press to function as an auto open or manual heat press with a simple flip of the rotating contact plate. With auto open, an electromagnet holds your press closed. When the timer reaches 0, the magnet releases the hold and allows the premium gas shocks to open the heat press for you automatically. In manual mode, you are in complete control of when the machine opens and closes. We've also moved the emergency release button from the control housing closer to the handle for easy access if you ever need to open the machine before the timer reaches 0. Of course, the TrueSpec wouldn't be a proper clamshell heat press if we didn't include a slide-out lower plat. But seeing as how that's nothing new, for Heat Press Nation anyways, we have also added a built-in splitter for your t-shirts. These are 2 must-have features for any t-shirt shop and truly elevate the level of efficiency and safety on your heat press. The built-in splitter allows the lower platen to go completely inside of your t-shirt, splitting it so the front and back are pressed separately. This avoids double pressing and eliminates any bleed through between sides of the garment. And to top off this huge list of premium features on our TrueSpec machines, we are proud to launch our line of fast fit platens. These lower platens are interchangeable with a multi-directional mount, so unlike your USB drive, you could slide it on right the first time, every time. You can also choose landscape or portrait orientation on any platen. To change platens, simply rotate the locking pin to disengage it, then slide the platen right off. Slide on your desired fast fit lower platen, then re-engage the locking pin by twisting it back in place. It really is that easy. Fast fit interchangeable platens are sold separately and are available in 4x4 inch, 6x10 inch, 6x20 inch, 8x10 inch, and 11x15 inch sizes. TrueSpec heat presses come with a quality guarantee that is backed by Heat Press Nation's legendary My Expert support. This includes 1 year of My Expert protection and free lifetime technical support. Should you ever have a question or issue with your heat press or any product purchased from Heat Press Nation, help is just a phone call away. Simply dial 800-215-0894 and you'll be connected with a trained technician at our Fullerton, California service center. You can order your TrueSpec heat press today at heatpressnation.com.